Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of those really nice Hungarian tanker mags. You don't see these very often on the surplus market. These actually come to you today by way of Arms of America. I guess it was maybe a couple weeks ago. One of my buddy, the same one that lent me the ZPAP 85, ZPAP 92, as well as that Pioneer Sporter. He was looking for some 20 round tanker mags. I said, I said, well, you know, this is probably the cheapest place you're going to find them. So Arms of America had them out there. They had the FEG marked ones for like $29.95. Then they had the Moon Man ones, they call them. I want to say those might have been $39.95, but still at $29.95, it's probably some of the cheapest you're going to find unless you go with Korean tanker mags, which I don't know if I'd really recommend. Don't have any experience with them, but a lot of them just simply don't run well or fit well. So anyway, I bought 4 of those mags. I wanted 4 for purposes of doing YouTube videos, obviously, but also like the look of them. So I got 4 of them. We're going to take a look at them today. These were listed in very good to excellent condition on Arms of America's website. And I don't think anybody else has them for $29.95. That's the cheapest I've seen. So without further ado, let's dive off into it. Let's take a look at it. And let's see what we got. Now, first thing is I'm getting my invoice out of there. Let's set that to the side. So these are, of course, surplus, but it's stated that they're in very good to excellent condition. Let's pull them all out of here. Wow, these actually do look really nice. Looks like these just have a phosphate coating. Nothing special, but are still quite nice. Sorry, I'm just looking at the spine stamp here. It says they're FEG mark, or FEG. I don't really know that I see that on the spine. I see an M within a circle over here. These look like they have never been used, as you can tell by the followers. Very nice mags, actually. Good stiff springs. That one's just got a little bit of a scuff on it. It was probably rattling around in there. They were just packed in cardboard. I mean, I don't see any issues with these. But yeah, you can tell these have never been used. I mean, if you look at the sides, if you look at the follower, I mean, these are really nice looking mags. That's got an interesting spine stamp. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's got a 2 right there. I don't know what the 2 means. Interesting. Just a few little scuffs. Well, it's got an O2. Like I said, just a few little scuffs. I mean, they look really nice. These will pair up well with any of your AKs. I've heard that, you know, these Hungarian ones, there's typically no issues with them. I don't really know what else to say about them. Just some really nice 20 round mags. I am going to check this off camera with my M70 AV2 and see how well they insert. They rock right in just fine. Nice and tight. Looks pretty cool. I think it fits that kind of cool. Completes the look pretty, I don't know. For an underfolder, I think that looks pretty cool with a 20 rounder. I know a lot of people put 30s in them, but you know, for the purposes of me and doing some range videos with these, 20 rounders may be a must. I don't know. I'm gonna check these other ones off camera. You heard the positive locking click. Oh yeah, no issues here. These are good quality mags. This one has a little bit of wobble back and forth. Nothing terrible, not something I'd worry about. But anyway, there you have it. At the time of this filming, Arms of America does still have these. They don't have any of the Moon Man marked ones. They just have the standard FEG they call. I'll try to get some pictures of the spine stamp so you guys can see that if you're curious. But other than that, there's really no markings on here from what I can tell. I kind of expected the weird FEG marking. I guess they didn't do that on these because I do have an FEG marked AK parts kit, and it's got the marking on it. But I kind of, when they said FEG, I kind of expected these to have that same marking, which they don't. But that's fine. They look really nice, very good to excellent. A few little scuffs from rattling around in the box, but other than that, these mags do not appear to have ever been used. So, like I said, at the time of this filming, Arms of America still has these for about, 30 bucks. So it's not a bad deal if you're looking for some 20s and you don't want the Korean ones. But just wanted to share this with you guys, make you aware if you weren't aware that these are out there. I know other sites are selling them for quite a bit more. So just keep that in mind. This is the cheapest that I've found because sometimes I'm a cheapskate when it comes to deals. But anyway, I want to thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. It definitely helps out with the algorithm because nobody understands how that works, especially not me. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, you guys have a great day.